M57s are an absolute weapon of an engine. However, when things go sideways, especially with a BMW, they go sideways in a very bad way. I don't know what's going on with this thing, but it's looking pretty bad, and these vehicles are not known for it. Let's start checking it out. Well, we're here again with our good old buddy Han.
Hey.
As you can see, this is the infamous M57 engine, but as you would not expect, it did leave him stranded. So right down there, we've got some coolant drips. And as it's running, because these do have a mechanical pump, it tends to leak or bleed itself very quickly. So we're gonna have to do some diagnosing in this episode, and we did dig out the coolant leak tester. So we're gonna get this set up, we're gonna pressurize the cooling system and start to diagnose why this thing decided it wanted to puke its guts. Now, for those who may not know what this does, essentially, this kit here has a bunch of different fittings for Mini, most German cars, and I'm sure for a lot of domestics, even the basic rad ones. And after you snug this one down and find the one that works for you, don't go crazy. Hey, look, a convenient little microfiber. Thanks, Han.
No problem.
You've just planned for it to have a leak of some sort. Not that it's a Beamer or anything.
Yep.
We take this one, and apparently I need two hands. You want to, actually, there we go. You want to pump that up? Pump that jam, pump it up. Let's see if it holds any pressure. A little bit. Yeah, keep going. We'll pump it up to about 15. And what we'll do is we're going to keep an eye on this and see if it starts to bleed down. Actually, you can see it's already starting to bleed down. Okay, so what that means is it's leaking somewhere, because usually I'll pump it up to 50 and leave it for about 2 minutes. If you want to take a peek, look up around the top, I'll check around the bottom. Yeah, I can see the drip.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, you can see there's drip over here, or the residue, here and here. Holy shit, it's all over the place. It's dripping pretty good. Actually, do you want to take the pressure off? Because it's making a puddle on this.
Okay.
It's gonna pour all over. Just hit the Schrader valve.
All the way?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see it dripping here, because you can see how the drip moved, right?
Yep.
Okay, so it's on top of here. Near the intercooler. The highest residue I see is above the intercooler. It's on the charge pipe. It's something dropping on the charge pipe. So it's coming from above.
Above us here, eh?
Yeah. What we did end up seeing here, which may end up helping you guys diagnose if you run into a similar issue. All of this for the coolant is dry. Reservoir and everything looks dry. Nothing crazy there. These coolant hoses are all dry too, but then you start to notice there's a little bit here, which is strange because there's nothing coolant nearby. You see some on the plastic here, so you start looking down there and you can see right there at that hose, it's possible that this hose right on the tip there, oh, there's something literally spraying.
Yeah, I can see it.
I think the plan of attack is we're going to take the rad fan out, we're going to take the charge pipe out, or at least move it out of the way because it's kind of in the way. And there's going to be something just underneath there that's leaking. We just don't know what it is. Oh, look, it's all on the back of the rad.
Yes, it's the rad.
It's the radiator?
Yep.
Is it literally pissing right out of it?
Yep.
Han!
I didn't do anything, look. How would that be even possible?
I don't know. You probably got a rock or something. What the f? Well, what I do know is it's pissing everywhere. I tried my magic. Turns out I'm not a magician. We tried to clamp or crimp down the fins just a little bit, or the bar. It sort of stopped, but it was kind of hissing a little bit. Pressurized it a bit, tried to get a little bit further in there, and there must have been a hole that just tore. So what we're gonna do is look in my garbage pile here, since I just tore down an X5 diesel, and ironically I have a radiator. So this couldn't have been better. Perfect place. Just break your shit when it's near my house. And we're good. So we're gonna take these lines off. Let's see here. This stupid thing. I fucking hate those. We're gonna probably flush it down with water and stuff. I don't think we have to do the power steering. I think power steering goes around the side and in the front. So it should be coolant hose. Those two, well, looks like that one. And then this whole radiator, I'm pretty sure you just grab it and pull it right out. Actually, Yeah, see, it's already loose. I bet you if you start pulling it, yeah, it wants to come out. Okay, easy.
Yep.
Camera died partway. We got everything back in place. A little bit of a spritz, but that's okay. We'll take it to the car wash. Even though we've repaired it and changed the radiator and cleaned up all the hoses, what we're gonna do is we're gonna double check the cooling system is gonna hold adequate pressure. So Han's gonna put it back on there. We're gonna pump the jam to about 15 PSI and give it a couple of minutes to see if it's gonna leak down. It's getting there. It's just an arm workout.
Yeah.
It just shows which one you're more dominant with. Bang, right on 15. It's been a couple minutes now. Still bang on 15, so we can release the pressure here.
What can we do? Let's hope.
You're gonna spill it, aren't you?
I hope not.
Right. Okay.
Oh god, oh god, oh god.
Oh, you. Would you just look at that? Does this make it harder?
No.
So as we're running it, we can just put the cap on, just loosely.
Yeah.
So funny enough, on this plastic pipe here that I'm showing with my middle finger, right underneath here is where you actually bleed the upper pipe. But BMW in their infinite wisdom put this on top of it. So I'm not really sure what their plan was with that, but okay, whatever. For these, if you don't know from the last video, they are run with a mechanical water pump. So as you run the engine, just let it idle, put the temperature max, put the heat to 1, leave this loose. So instead of it bleeding from that pipe there, it's gonna bleed through the reservoir. And then we'll top it up, take it for a drive. But the thermostat itself, it has like a little jiggle pin. I don't know what the hell you call it. You know on a thermostat where it has that little wiggling thing to burp air?
Inside, yeah.
Yeah, so eventually just idling it and then driving it, you may need to top it up once or twice, but that's all you need to do. Okay, yeah, if you wanna fire it up.
Okay.
I mean, I have a nitrous thing. Do we want to give it a couple hits of nitrous since you're rear wheel? Max temp.
Okay.
And fan to 1.
Okay.
No more leaks, sir.
Nice. I like the sound of that.
Sounds nice and healthy. Let's see if he messes up. Oh, okay. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Did it go down right away?
Yeah.
I would just put it to maybe a touch over max and leave it.
Yeah.
I'm kind of afraid when you back out what the floor is going to look like.
Oh, I don't even want to look at that.
Oh my lord. That was bad.
She left a mess.
Okay, we'll let it idle, bleed it, see how it goes. After topping it up, we ran it for a bit, Han shut it off because we are good to go. I mean, these things are indestructible if they're maintained, but you have to understand that shit can happen. It just so happened that part of shit happening is I happen to have one on a Easter long weekend, so that worked out pretty good. But are these bulletproof? Yes, they're still bulletproof. Can shit happen? Well, yeah, obviously it did. That's like the stupidest thing that could have happened. It is what it is. These are still among the best, if not the best, in my opinion, the best diesel engine that came out of Germany. And I will live and die by that. That's all for today. Feel free to like and subscribe. And if you guys have any comments, you know where to leave it. Put it in the little keyboard thing and I don't know, tell me what you thought. Would you have done something different? You would have sold it for a Benz, don't lie. We're out. Do you need a funnel?
Please.
I'll find one. I feel like we're playing Where's Waldo? Oh, no, that's a dirty one. I think I need to clean my workbench.